In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a wallpaper on Pinterest. We will walk through it together so you can upload or design your own wallpaper as a pin. First, open Pinterest and sign in. On your phone, you will see the home feed with lots of pins in a grid. On a computer, you will see a similar feed across the center of the screen. Make sure you are in the account where you actually want the wallpaper to live so you can find it later on your profile. Once you are signed in, tap or click Create. On a phone, this is usually near the bottom of the screen, and on a computer it is near the top. When you tap or click it, a small menu appears that lets you choose what kind of content you want to make. Now choose the pin option. On Android or iPhone, tap the plus button at the bottom. Then choose Pin from the menu. On a computer, click Create, then click Create Pin. After you do this, Pinterest opens a new screen or window with empty fields where you can build your wallpaper pin. With that ready, upload the wallpaper image from your device. Use the upload area you see, then pick your image from your phone or computer files. Once it loads, you should see a preview of your wallpaper in the main part of the screen. If the wrong image appears, just remove it in the same area and pick a different one. Next up, use Pinterest editing tools to customize your wallpaper. You can add text on top of the image, which is useful for quotes, reminders, or a simple word like breathe. You can change fonts and colors so the text matches your style and is still readable against your background. You can apply effects to slightly tweak the mood, like softening colors or boosting contrast. You can also change the orientation or aspect ratio so it fits better as a wallpaper, and adjust the background color when the design includes empty space. These changes show in the preview right away, so you can experiment without guessing. After the visuals feel right, add a title, such as Aesthetic iPhone Wallpaper. The title appears under the pin and helps you recognize it quickly inside your boards. It also helps Pinterest understand what your image is about. From there, add a description if you want. You can describe the style, like minimal black and white, or note which device size it suits best. Descriptions are optional, but they can help when you search your own pins later. At this point, choose a board or create a new one. You might place it in an existing wallpapers board, or make a fresh board just for this set. Once you select the board name, you will see it confirmed next to the pin preview. Finally, click or tap Publish or Create. After a moment, Pinterest saves your new wallpaper pin into the board you chose, and you can open it there anytime. You just created and uploaded your own custom wallpaper on Pinterest, so if this helped you get a wallpaper you actually like, please give the video a thumbs up, and maybe subscribe for more simple Pinterest tips.